How to unachieve WhatsApp chat. Unachieving a chat restores it to your main chat list. This is useful when you want to bring back a conversation you previously hid. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Here, scroll to the top of the chat list and tap on Achieved. Now, long press the chat you want to unachieve. Here, you will be able to see a box with an upward arrow. That's a unachieved icon. Tap on it, and there you have it. You have successfully unachieved the chat. The chat will now appear back into your main chat list. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.